couple taking a massive dog for a walk. Just walking along, picked a few stones up that look a bit interesting colours. This really is the sort of thing you should do with two people, you know. You go along and you see people together and that, you feel a bit lonely, but you know, there's stuff that I need to sort out. And I've got problems upstairs in my head, and I want to get them sorted before I can even think about entering into a relationship with somebody. And whoever that will be my last, because I really do not want any more breakups or any more arguments or anything like that. I am done with it. Done with it all. I just want me and whoever I end up with. I know who I like to be with. But that doesn't look like it's a possibility. Might be one day, maybe. You know, I suppose when I die, that'll put an end to it all. But I wish she was with me now. I wish she would love all this. There's a big lighthouse over there. I don't know if she's in the lighthouses. I think she just likes the sea in general. She would love it here. Miss you, by the way. You know who you are. Quite strange that bit down. You've got like a little tide thing. You've got that down. Higher bit. The temperature today is it's about 9 degrees. We've got a bit of a wind chill. I've got my coat on. I bought a hat and gloves and out, so just in case it gets colder, because the wind chill here does get a lot colder, and you end up freezing your boobies off. There's no fair coat that I got on. It's really good though. So. Mostly. Well, I better end this one. I'm going to do this in little bits so it's easier to edit.